Artificial Intelligence, Principles and Applications. Lecture number 1, Introduction. This book is written by Vinod Chandra, Department of Computer Science, University of Kerala, and Anand Harendran, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Muthoot Engineering College, Ernakulam. This book is the second edition published by Prentice Hall. This book has 17 chapters which covers almost all areas of artificial intelligence with examples, case studies and exercise. The highlight of the book is its research-oriented presentation of the chapters and application-oriented case studies for project development. The basic motto while designing the book was to make the book as simple as it could be, so that even a beginner need to understand every concept. Intelligence is the ability to learn and cope, or the ability to contemplate, think, and reason. Human intelligence is the most complex entity forever when we consider intelligence. The concept of Chinese room argument shows intelligent behavior of human. Consider the situation where an English speaker who does not know Chinese is locked up in a room. The room is full of boxes of Chinese symbols. These symbols can be treated as elements in a database. There is a book of instruction for manipulating the symbol which can be treated as the program. The people outside the room send Chinese symbol which is unknown to the person in the room. These are the questions, and by following the instruction he gives reply in English. The program enabled the person to pass a test for understanding Chinese, but the reality is that he does not understand even a word in Chinese. The people located outside the room may think that there is an intelligent mapping in the room for Chinese to English. We may have a feeling that the Chinese room is equipped with intelligence. Searle's argument shows a straight challenge to proponents of artificial intelligence. The Chinese room argument concludes the fact that a suitably programmed computer will appear to converse in a natural language, but it will not be capable to understand the language. Human beings have been fascinated with the idea of creating intelligent machines. The idea is not replacing the human brain by a computer. Thus, intelligence is the ability to learn and to cope things. Also, it is the ability to contemplate, think, and reason. To measure the intelligent behaviors of system, Turing test is suitable. To distinguish objects, there is one test called Turing test, proposed by Alan Turing in 1950. Turing test is designed to prove a satisfactory operational definition of intelligence. If we keep a computer in one room and a person in another room, by asking questions to both, one can easily find out whether the computer has been updated to the level of human intelligence or not. Turing test intentionally avoided direct physical communication between the human and the computer. It is not necessary for a personal physical simulation for intelligence measurement. Turing test was focused to area weak equivalence and strong equivalence. ELIZA is an early natural language processing computer program created from 1964 to 1966 at the MIT Artificial Intelligence Laboratory by Joseph Weizenbaum. The ELIZA created to demonstrate the superficiality of communication between humans and machines. These steps represent the bulk of the procedures that ELIZA follows in order to create a response from a typical input, though there are several specialized situations that ELIZA/Doctor can respond to. Artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. It is related to the similar task of using computers to understand human intelligence, but artificial intelligence does not have to confine itself to methods that are biologically observable. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that studies how to program computers to exhibit apparently intelligent behavior. Other two definitions are given. Different definitions given by scientists for artificial intelligence are seen. The word artificial is in the definition because artificial intelligence is about studying and constructing man-made intelligence. This can help in our understanding of human intelligence. Artificial intelligence is not necessarily about replicating human intelligence. Machines can start their own thinking process using complex algorithms and software. This is one of the tasks in strong artificial intelligence. An independent decision can conclude from the incoming input in the strong artificial intelligence technology. Today's computer games are designed as a strong artificial intelligence software support. For example, poker artificial intelligence which can teach itself to adapt to and outsmart the skills of human opponents. In weak artificial intelligence system, machines cannot do anything on their own and the human interference is heavily involved therein. That is, pre-programmed software is involved in the applications while they are designed. Weak artificial intelligence is also known as narrow artificial intelligence, capable to perform a single task, and it is designed to pull data from specific dataset. iPhone's Siri and Amazon's Alexa are examples of weak artificial intelligence software. The following are the major topics that covers the topics of artificial intelligence. The major research activities carried out during 1950s include game playing and theorem proving. The period from the mid-1960s to the mid-1970s is termed the Romantic period. Romantic period of artificial intelligence is known to be machine understanding. During this period, the major activity was to make the machine understand, by which they usually meant the understanding of natural languages. The modern period of artificial intelligence started from the latter half of the 1970s to present day. More complex practical problems were solved and even tried to be solved in this period. The main branches are useful in research and development for problem solving and theorem solving. According to John McCarthy, the following are selected branches in artificial intelligence. Every branch of science, engineering and technology shares the tools and techniques available in the domain of artificial intelligence. A few typical applications where artificial intelligence plays a significant and decisive role in engineering automation is given. Game playing and expert systems are some typical applications of artificial intelligence. Natural language processing or NLP is a technique that builds ability of machines to read and understand the languages that a humans speak. Image processing and its understanding one of the major area of artificial intelligence. The major area which is going to flourish in the 21st century is robotics. With the latest techniques of deep neural networks and convolution networks, various prime tasks are being mechanized. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that deals with the design and development of algorithms. There are many machine learning techniques used in engineering applications. Major aim of the pattern recognition is classification of data, patterns, that is based either on a priori knowledge or on statistical information extracted from the patterns. Classifications of patterns are usually groups of measurements or observations, defining points in a suitable multidimensional space. Virtual reality is an attempt for creating natural interaction. Computer vision plays here to recognize the object as an image and identify the tasks. It is considered as a scientific discipline concerned with the theory behind artificial systems that extract information from images. The image data can be in the form of picture, video sequences, multidimensional data from a medical scanner or views from multiple cameras. A new computing technique is required for the researchers for solving artificial intelligence problems that have not yet been covered. Nature-inspired computing is one of such computing techniques that absorb ideas by observing how nature behaves in various situations to solve complex problems. Artificial intelligence helped to design and control systems that turned into intelligent control systems. We can just summarize that the artificial intelligence is looked at as a tree. You may please check the exercise in the book for understanding the improvements.